This is my small enclosed wood burning stove. This thing gets hot enough that you could even cook food with it. All these rungs are too hot to even touch. The fire is burning very nicely now without any smoke on the exhaust pipe. It's not smoking at all. I am burning scrap wood. This is pieces of stockade fence. Here's a bamboo table and some old boards that I'm going to be getting rid of. I have a shovel here for when the firebox fills up with too much ash. I'll take a shovel and put it in this metal pot for it to cool down. Then it will go to compost pile. I'm burning on this big metal piece here for it doesn't burn the driveway. I have this piece of sheet metal for I can close it up. Today there are high winds. It doesn't seem windy here because I have a barrier set up to stop the wind. Now I open the firebox and I can throw pieces of wood inside of it. This thing has been burning for a few hours now, and I'm planning on burning well into the night. Okay, here comes the flames. Close up the firebox. And now it's starting to smoke a little bit. Not too bad. It is about 19 degrees now, but it's nice and toasty being near this thing. What this thing actually is the internal part of a 1955 forced air furnace. There would be a propane flame where the fire is now, and hot air would blow through the rungs. Okay, the fire has now calmed down. I'm gonna open the firebox now. This thing is good because it has a smokestack, meaning all the smoke stays out of your face, and it can burn in high winds. I pulled all the nails out of these. Now I'm going to push the burning embers off to the side and get just the hot embers over to the right. Even this piece caught because it's a nice hot fire. Take a scoop of embers, drop them into the pot for they can cool. Okay. Move the fire back around. I take a scoop of embers out about once an hour. Now I can throw more firewood in here and let the fire catch itself back up. This thing burns so hot that if you put little pieces on top of it, they'll actually combust after a few minutes because this thing is so hot. You see the wood's already burning nicely. That's enough. The whole firebox is just about cleaned out. okay. Most of the stuff's out of it now. Now I can start filling it up with more. The flames will return in about a minute, and it'll start burning more. Now this will cool down, and in the morning that'll be compost, like I said. This will pretty much burn down to dust, like smoldering. And there comes the fire. This whole thing will be really red hot in just a few minutes. This is it for stockade fence. All of the stockade fence is all gone now. All of it's in. Now I'm gonna start burning that table and some other scrap wood. See, this isn't stockade, this is a piece of plywood. About 5 minutes later, the pot no longer has any flame, that's all out. And the firebox is really burning now. Now I'm gonna start smashing that table. That is only bamboo. You're not supposed to burn anything that's painted or pressure treated. This fence obviously wasn't pressure treated because the termites really got to the bottom of it. It is now nighttime, and you can see I'm feeding this board slowly into the fire. It started off as 6 feet, now it's more around 2. I keep slowly pushing it into the firebox. That table and the drawers are all now completely gone about an hour ago. More stockade fence I found, and some old half rotted out plywood. This is another hour of burning at least, and then this thing has the rest of the night to cool down before being dismantled once again. I'm going to move the small burning pieces over to the right and remove now the hot ash with the shovel. That's enough for now. Now I'm going to throw more wood in and get it back up and running. Thanks for watching.